all
Okay.
depends on the voters.
Mm.
Nanawagat personal kabagyak adat United na pimang kunya.
Yeah.
Just like what yung bagada kiniyap. Inyag na piman ti
Kastaya.
dito kung kunada ijay. Kat diyan kala utang na loob. When in fact it's the job of the squad. Ado tinaalala na idi ay itata because under Duterte, well, that's it.
Yeah.
Oo. Tano diay congressman tayo idi kat they were not able to get more niya. Yung adamot inaaramid na.
Yeah.
Kala lang okay no inya pa tiyan kung mga nalpas ti hantay nga naaramid i-continue diya sumublat.
Yes, they use
But hantay nga ibaga nga awan ti inaaramid
they did something within their capability.
when kasyemot kwa because I saw kusalan sino pa digayda dangwad tagitada. So I was there. I saw matpiman itada nga kurang-kurang ti pundo-pundo iti na ganan. So nagitada it's the political dynamics nagitada nga it's still up to the people no sino kumati ibutos dang asto.
Listening to El Maestro Speaks podcast.